Hi there! My name is Mary Kate Hansford and I am the Academic Administrator for RUI University. Lifelong learning supports intellectual and social wellness. And over the next couple of weeks, we're going to be sharing tips and tricks to help you exercise your brain. Our first tip is to find your purpose. The heart of RUI University is purposeful living. Having purpose has been shown to extend your life. Purpose has been identified as the deepest driver of well-being. In a recent study, a life's purpose appeared to be more important to well-being more than how much you drink, smoke, or even exercise. And this stayed consistent across the population. So what's your life's purpose? What gets you out of bed in the morning and says, I want to do this? Comment below, we want to hear from you.